Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today in this video we are going to learn animals and their sounds name. Now let's start. First one is dog. Bark. B-A-R-K, bark. Second one is cow. Moo. M-O-O, moo. Third one is tiger and lion. Both roar. R-O-A-R, roar. Fourth one is elephant. Trumpet. T-R-U-M-P-E-T. Trumpet. Fifth one is sheep. Bleat. B-L-E-A-T. Bleat. Sixth one is frog. Croc. C-R-O-A-K. Croc. Seventh one is snake. Hiss. H-I-S-S. Hiss. Eighth one is pig. Snort. S-N-O-R-T. Snort. Or oink. O-I-N-K. Oink. Ninth one is monkey. Chatter. C-H-A-T-T-E-R. Chatter. Tenth one is jackal. Howl. H-O-W-L. Howl. 11th one is deer. Grunt. G-R-U-N-T. Grunt. 12th one is wolf. Howl or cry. H-O-W-L. Howl. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. 13th one is donkey. Bray. B-R-A-Y. Bray. 14th one is bear. 14th one is bull. Billow. B-E-L-L-O-W. Billow. 15th one is beer. Growl, Growl, growl. 16th one is zebra. Winnie, Winnie, Winnie. 17th one is cat. Mew, 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 mew. 18th one is rat. Squeak, Squeak, squeak. 19th one is horse. Neigh, Neigh, knee. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.